God took his brush and painted the sky, made it a zoo, so high, so wide. He touched the fields and they turned bare, every leaf a song from me, eternal. He painted the world with love and light, Rojo Amarillo shining bright. Every color tells his story true. God made this beauty just for you. Snow so blanco, pure and clean, flowers rosa, soft and sweet. The night turns Negro calm and still, yet his presence lingers, always will. He painted the world with love and grace, Blanco Rosa in every place. Every color sings his name, forever good, forever the same. Morado skies, Naranja dawn, morning comes, his love lives on. All creation lifts its voice, in every shade our hearts rejoice. He made it new, Rojo Azul Verde shining through. Thank you, Lord, for what you've done, the colors of your endless love.